Hi everyone, welcome to Insaid, and in this video we are going to talk about Airbnb's approach to UI/UX and how they build products that delight their users and hosts. Let's get started. Airbnb is one of the most successful platforms in the travel industry. To answer how they achieve this, we are going to look into Airbnb's design philosophy. Airbnb follows 6 principles that shape their design process. The first one is Unified Design Language. Airbnb uses a system called DLS to ensure consistency and cohesion across all products and platforms. The second principle is cross-functional collaboration. To facilitate collaboration, Airbnb uses various design tools such as Figma and Abstract. The third principle is user-centric research. Airbnb conducts research such as interviews and usability testing to understand the needs of their users and their hosts. The fourth principle is data-driven experimentation. Airbnb uses tools like Optimizely and Amplitude to test their assumptions and hypotheses. The fifth principle is creative exploration. Airbnb encourages designers to explore new ideas and concepts. The sixth principle is craftsmanship. Airbnb pays attention to every detail of design, which plays a critical role in making the user experience truly delightful. These were the 6 principles Airbnb uses to design its products. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to like and subscribe.